everyone, it's Michelle from the Age Graceful channel. How's everyone doing? I hope that this video finds you guys all doing well. So today is a look coming to you from the Keeping It Real Fun collab group. And our makeup theme for today is gonna be Snow Queen. Ooh, it's making me chilly already. I want to say thank you to Julia from the Accessorize Your Life channel for coming up with this month's theme. Let's get into this video. I'm going to begin with my eyebrows, and today I'm using the Precisely My Brow eyebrow pencil from Benefit, and this is in shade number 4. It has a spoolie on one end, and on the opposite end is the product. To clean up my brow area, I'm going to be using the Makiage Mystique Correcting Concealer, and this is in shade number 14. So off camera, I used some MAC Blot powder. This is a pressed powder that was developed for models on photo shoots. Like when they sweated through or you had a little bit of oil, you would just use the blot powder to kind of clean up whatever was going on. So I used this today to set my concealer. It's actually pretty translucent. The shade that I'm using is deep dark. I'll be using the Jamrock Palette today. This is by Playing in Makeup with Yolanda. There's a white shade in here that I would like to use as my transition. This first shade that I'm picking up out of the Jamrock Palette is called Dance, and it's a matte white shade. The Jamrock by Playing in Makeup by Yolanda is a Black-owned company that focuses on very vibrant pigmented shades. The second shade is the 5th one on the top row, and it's called Costume, and it's a beautiful royal blue type of shade. Here I'm just setting the placement of the shades, and then I will go back and blend later. Let's just clean up a little bit. I'm in my blending portion of this video, and I actually blended a whole lot longer than you guys are gonna see. Okay guys, I'm a little bit thrown off because I may have lost a clip, and you may not have gotten a chance to see this shade on my lid and inner corner from that time of year, but it's called Snow Angel. I lost a clip some type of way. I'm trying to retrieve it, but I just wanted to explain to you that I did put Snow Angel on with my finger, And then I took a small detail brush to get like in the really tight spaces and kind of carve that out in this type of fashion here. So I just wanted to explain what you may have missed. If I'm not able to retrieve it by the time I edit this video, then at least you know that's the missing step. Okay? All right. Time for eyeliner. I'm going to be using the very affordable e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. This is one of my absolute favorite eyeliners. It never fails me. So let's talk a little bit about this palette that I'm featuring in this video by the Gourmande Girls Cosmetics. It's that time of year. The shade that you missed me applying was the Snow Angel, which is the 6th shade in the palette, and it's a gel glitter. Very, very pretty, and I applied it, like I said, with my finger. I'm going to be using the palette 3 more times on my face, just so you can see some of the other glitters. Now it's time to moisturize my face. So I'm going to use Skin 111. Skin 111 is marketed as a reparative moisturizing cream that is best used after cleansing and toning your skin. I'm now applying my primer by Makiage. This is a very moisturizing primer, and what more don't we need than moisture, especially in the colder months. For my foundation, I'm using the After Party Next Generation Full Coverage Foundation by Makiage. This is in shade number 170. This foundation is suitable for all skin types. For my highlighting concealer, I'll be using the LA Pro Girl Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. To sculpt and bronze my skin, I'll be using the Makiage Face Shaping Palette in the shade Deep. Now from the Crayon Case Company, I'll be using their setting powder in the shade Y. The Crayon Case refers to school supplies as names for their products. I'm using a blue eyeliner for my waterline. The shade is actually called Chaos. This is a Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner pencil that went bad. I didn't have another blue pencil available, and I already had this look planned, but this is not something that I would recommend. My mascara is the Lash Idole by Lancome in the shade Black. Now it's time to sweep away this setting powder. Now I'm going back into that time of year for the fourth shade on the top row, and I'm using that as my blush. It's called Cherry's Jubilee. Now I'm tapping into the third shade on the second row. It's called Twinkling Lights, and I'm using this as my highlighter. That Time of Year palette was collaborated with 3 YouTubers, the Debutante channel, the Adventures of Xenia channel, and the Brutally Honest Beauty channel. Wasn't that amazing for Christina to work with them? These gel glitters are absolutely beautiful. I take my hat off to Christina Gourmande and the beautiful ladies for collaborating on this palette. From Rugi Beauty, I'm going to be using their lashes, and the style that I'm using is called Ashley. And like magic, a snow queen is born. The unit I'm wearing is called Cami, and it's a shake and go. The shade is 101. We can't forget those lips. I'm going to dip into the third shade on the top row called Icicle. This shade has a red undertone with the most beautiful shades of glitter floating on top. And guys, this will complete my Snow Queen look. I certainly hope that you have enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to go and support the other ladies. Their channel links will be in my description box down below. If you're interested in this palette, Gourmande Girls Cosmetics is also in my description box. It's that time of year. Happy holidays!